Hello everyone, my name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing the conversion functions in the Microsoft Power Automate. If you not watch our previous videos, I will recommend you to go through that series, and if you have any question, you can ask in the comment box as well, and please subscribe to the channel. So let's continue this series. Today we cover array and objects in Power Automate. So let's we go to the Power Automate. Let's select one compose operation for the learning purpose. Today is day 9 friends. So if you not watch day 8 videos, so I recommending you one more time. So please watch. So let's use here create array function. Okay. So what basically create array does, so it create an array. Okay, if you let's see, we pass it 1 2 3 and let's click on the add. Okay, let's use here create array. Let's rename our function and let's click on the save and test. So friends, see, we successfully converted our number into an array. Okay, so you can see it is coming in square bracket. So create array function is used to create an array. Okay, so we are seeing some advanced use cases of these functions as well. So please stay with us. Okay, so we see some advanced parts as well. So our second function is we have array only. So let's use the array. So what basically array function does, it converts an any JSON object or any XML object into an array format, and what create basically do, it's create a new array. So for the learning purpose, first let's we pass here the number only in the string format and let's click on the test. So let's create nested array friends. Okay, so what I basically do, let's we create one loop here. Okay, apply to each loop. In that, let's we go and create array. Okay, we'll create array like 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 time. Okay, so 6 objects are present there, 1 to 6. So 6 time this loop will create. Now let's we go in the data operation. Okay, and I want that item. Okay, inside an array here. Okay, so let's we do go our effect. So if you want for the each item we need want to create an array, so we can follow this process and we can create an array for each element. Let's go and see. So friends, you can see for each element we created a separate array here. So if you want to extract the array, okay, nested arrays, we can use this. Okay. So here is our entire array. You can see for each item and 1 to 6, the array present in that loop here, friends. So now let's go and see our another function, that is Json. So what basically Json function does, it converts string or XML into a JSON object or array that can be used inside our Power Automate expressions. So let's see. First, let's use an example in the string format and let's convert this string, okay, into a JSON object. So if you see, this is the entire string, okay, it is present in the single quote, so it is string. Now we are converting this string into an JSON object. Okay, JSON. Let's take this. So if you friends see, we will get JSON as an output here. So if you see in the output part, so we you can see we are getting in the curly brackets. Okay, a JSON is represented by curly bracket, and here the name is a key and role is a key. So in that, Ravi and developer is value. So now let's go and see some advanced points. Okay, we will convert XML string, okay, into an JSON object. Okay, so let's give here example one, XML conversion. So let's go to the power effects using here JSON. In the JSON, let's give here XML string. You can see we have pass here. Let's click on the add and let's click on the test. Manually trigger save and test. So friends, you can see we successfully converted into an JSON object here. Okay, name role is a keys. Okay, and that is person is also one of the object is coming. So friends, you can see for this conversion, um, we pass as a string here. Okay, so we need to pass here XML. Okay, in that we convert in that string into an XML first. Okay, and then we are converting that into JSON object. So now let's see one more example. Like many times, friends, what's happened? We receive, we send an HTTP call, okay, to an object. So we receive this type of response from that, okay, HTTP. So this type of response we receive. So if you want to convert that into an JSON object, okay, so we can also use the JSON function for that, okay. Let's use power effects, JSON, open bracket, close bracket, go to dynamic content, HTTP response, click on the add. Let's go and run the flow. Let's click on save and test. So friends, you can see we successfully converted, okay, and the HTTP response into a JSON object. You can see the slash n and slash other values are removed. We are successfully get clean and proper JSON object here. So JSON is one of the powerful function in the Power Automate. Mostly it can be asked in the interviews as well. So be uh, ready with that. And also, if you have any doubt, any question, you can ask friends in the comment box. Keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring, friends. Thank you.